Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can recover your deleted messages on Messenger. Right, it's really easy, and first you need to go on Facebook, not in Messenger, and then press on three horizontal lines that is on the bottom right if you're using iPhone, and these lines will be on the top right if you're using Android, and then scroll down until you see settings and privacy, almost the last option, and then expand it, and then press settings. And then you need to go all the way down until you see, as you can see here, download your information. Press on it, and then you can request a copy. So press deselect all here, and because there is a lot of things that you need to deselect, and then look for messages. So select the messages and then scroll down, and here you can select the date range. So for example, all my data, and then you can select the file format as well, also the quality, and then press create a file. And depending on your history and on your size of the messages, how much messages you sent, it can be pending on for 1 to 3 hours, and after that basically it will say on the pending site download, and here you can download all your messages, or also delete it as well. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.